What if you could type, control a robot, or write code just by thinking? Watch this. This is Manus AI. No keyboard, no mouse, just your thoughts and gestures, instantly turned into action. And if you want to see Manus AI for yourself or learn more, you can check it out at the link on your screen. Just go to www.manus.ai or find the link in the description. Today, I'll show you a full demo, how it works, and why this tech could change everything. Manus AI is a next-gen interface that reads your intent using sensors and AI. It was built for VR and robotics, but now it's making mind-controlled computing a reality. Let's jump into what it can actually do. First up, let's see what happens when I try to reply to an email without typing a single word. I'm wearing the Manus glove, and all I do is focus on the phrase, "Yes, let's do Thursday at 4 p.m. Watch this. There it is. The AI picks up on my intent and actually types out the exact response. It feels surreal, like I'm sending telepathic emails. But let's push it further. Next, I'll try controlling this robotic arm. I'm not touching any buttons or using a joystick. Instead, every flex and twist of my hand is tracked by the Manus sensors, and the AI instantly translates my movements into real-world action. Check out how smoothly the arm mimics my gestures. Open, close, rotate, even delicate movements. This isn't just cool. Imagine the possibilities for people with mobility challenges, or for high-precision tasks in labs or factories. And here's where it gets really wild: coding with your mind. I open up my code editor, focus on the idea, create a Python function that sorts a list. I don't type, I just think about the task, make a subtle gesture, and the AI starts generating the code right in front of me. Look at that, a full function with comments and everything. It's not perfect every time, but it's way faster than starting from scratch, and the potential for speeding up creative work is massive. This is more than just a party trick. Imagine combining this with your favorite productivity tools, or using it to control smart devices around your home, lights, music, even your TV, just by thinking or gesturing. And if you're wondering, yes, there's a bit of a learning curve. The AI gets better the more you use it, adapting to your unique patterns and refining its predictions. But even in these first tries, the experience is almost magical. Let me know in the comments, what would you try first if you had access to Manus AI? Would you write emails, control robots, or maybe build your own apps with just your thoughts? Drop your wildest ideas below. How does this work? Manus uses wearable sensors to pick up electrical signals from your muscles and nerves. Their AI predicts what you want to do, type, move, create, by learning your unique patterns. It's not reading your secrets, but it's the closest thing to telepathy we've seen. In tests, Manus AI hits up to 94% accuracy for gestures and about 70 to 80% for intent. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning your signals like a digital assistant with ESP. Over time, your Manus adapts, reducing mistakes and making the experience feel more natural. It's like training a new muscle. At first, it's awkward, but soon it feels second nature. So, where is this all heading? Let's start with accessibility. For people with paralysis or limited mobility, Manus AI could be a total game changer. Imagine writing essays, sending messages, or even browsing the web, all with just your thoughts and subtle gestures. In medicine, surgeons could control robotic tools mid-operation without ever touching a screen or keyboard, keeping things sterile and efficient. Gamers might cast spells, control characters, or even design levels just by thinking about them. No controllers, just pure imagination. Content creators and video editors could cut, trim, and add effects with a flick of the wrist, speeding up workflows and unlocking new creative possibilities. And think about the classroom. Students could take notes, highlight key points, or even answer quizzes, all without lifting a pen. At home, you could turn on lights, play music, or adjust the thermostat just by thinking about it. The potential is almost limitless. As AI and sensor tech evolve, interfaces like Manus could become as common as keyboards are today. This isn't just the next step for accessibility. It's a whole new way to interact with technology. So, Does Manus AI really read your mind? Not exactly, but it's the closest thing we've seen to mind-powered tech, and honestly, it feels like magic. We're witnessing the birth of a new kind of interface, one that could make computers, robots, and even our homes respond to us in ways we've only dreamed of. If this kind of technology excites you, hit that like button right now. Subscribe for more deep dives and hands-on demos of the wildest AI tools out there. And let's get creative. Drop a comment below. If you could control anything with your mind, what would it be? Would you automate your work, build something new, or just prank your friends? I read every comment and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.